Welcome to Good Father House Design. Today, we explore a compact sanctuary of concrete and warm teak. Listen to the gentle water and discover a tropical luxury home built to nurture the soul. Let's begin. Step into a world where modern architecture melts seamlessly into the tropics. As you approach, the raw textured concrete reveals its quiet power. Softened by warm afternoon sunlight, walking along the stone pathway through the front yard, a magnificent solid teak wood door welcomes you. Pushing it open, you pass through a serene entry foyer into the main living area, where expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls instantly make the space feel endlessly open and connected to nature. At the very core of this home lies an open-air central courtyard designed to celebrate the element of water. Here, a beautifully crafted rain harvesting system guides water through sculptural copper channels into a tranquil, tiered koi pond, creating a soothing melody throughout the house. Surrounding this aquatic sanctuary, lush ferns and tropical plants climb up raw concrete walls, creating a natural microclimate that instantly cools and purifies the air. Moving past the courtyard, we transition into the open-concept kitchen and dining area, where warm teak wood takes center stage. The rich tones of custom wood cabinetry beautifully balance the raw concrete kitchen island and polished floors. Soft sunlight streams through high windows, illuminating the large teak dining table. Every element here evokes grounding simplicity, making every daily meal feel like an alfresco experience surrounded by the comforting scent of natural wood. We begin our ascent via a floating staircase crafted from solid teak blocks. At the top, you are welcomed by a magnificent tiered garden balcony that extends gracefully from the structure. This vertical oasis showcases how to maximize outdoor living when land is limited. The concrete planter boxes overflow with cascading vines and vibrant flowers, functioning as a natural cooling shield and a private, elevated sanctuary. Stepping into the private master suite, you are instantly wrapped in profound serenity. The bedroom features a minimalist low-slung bed framed by raw concrete and warm teak panels. Sliding glass doors open directly onto the upper garden balcony, welcoming the gentle breeze. Directly adjacent, the spa-like ensuite bathroom features a deep freestanding concrete bathtub, creating a peaceful bathing experience that completely blurs the boundary between inside and out.